So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create an invoice and send it to your client. So I want to send a request for a payment from one of my clients. So I went ahead and logged into my PayPal account, and here it is. I am on my home page. Now from here, just go ahead and click on create an invoice, which is this. So if you click on this, now we can go ahead and enter the customer's name or email. So I have this email for my client. I'll just go ahead and paste it in, and here we go. It is done. Then the next thing you need to do, so that is who we are billing. If you're sending this to more than one recipient, you can go ahead and tap on add more recipients here, and you'll be able to add multiple emails. So once you're done, it's time to go ahead and give details of what they are paying for. So if I go ahead and click here, my client is paying for a sponsored guest post. So I'll write So I can go ahead and write, or just select from one of these that I had created earlier, and it will be inserted. So under this, go ahead and tap on new item, then specify whether it's goods or services. And here we go. If you select services, it will include the time, which is hours and rate. However, if it's goods, you just include the quantity and then price per unit. So for mine, I'll select goods, specify that it is a sponsored guest post, and the quantity, it is just one. The price is $30, and the currency is in US dollars. So I'll leave this as it is, just like that. And if you want to add a little bit of description, go ahead and do that. So for my case, I'll add a description, and that is the sponsored guest post link. So I'll insert link or post link. Then I'll paste the link here under the description. You have an option to add up to 400 characters. So once you're done, just go ahead and click on add. So I have already saved this item, so I'll not need to repeat it. I can delete it. Guest post, like that. Right, it is done. So for the other details, I'll leave them as they are. And if you have a special note to your client, you can go ahead and indicate it here. You may want to go ahead and set the due date. By default, it is set to due on recipient. If you want to edit this or change that, you can go ahead and click on this edit, then set to a specific date you wish your invoice to be due. So once you're done, it's time to send our invoice to our client. And to do so, just use the send option, which is here. I'll click on send. Now that I've confirmed everything is okay, I'll click on done. And now our client has received our invoice. Then you can go ahead, if you want to download this invoice, just click on these ellipses, then choose the download format you want to download in. You can download as a PDF, and this will go ahead and load the invoice here. As you can see, you can decide whether you want to include the QR or not by using this option here. We tap on that, we shall remove the QR, and then go ahead and download. And it will come directly to my computer. On the other hand, if you want your invoice link, you can still go to these ellipses and then tap on share link, and then this will expose your PayPal invoice link. You can now go ahead and copy, then share with your client. So that's how you create an invoice in PayPal. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.